Yeah, it's even got a little belt in there too, eh? Yeah, I can just wipe the dust out of there. And unwind that. Oh, even the fins have dirt in them. Right here. Just a Q-tip. We'll clean that. That came off the brush. Just a small little drop of oil there. So this spins good in there. Each side. And this was wound in with hair on this side and that side. This is how you sit the brush bar in here. And you just push it down in there and it holds it. Same thing the other side. And we'll put this piece on upside down. And that's how the wheel fits in. And you just put the cover on. Put the screws in. You just give it a little bend upwards this way because it's got a little hook right in there. And you just push it together close and put the screws in.